Guys, this is NoFAD Crypto for yet another short-term video on Bitcoin. So what's been happening since yesterday? You can see here it's consolidating around here at this between these levels of 58,300 and 56,900. We can see the markets are responding quite well. Dollar is going up, oil is rebounding. The European markets are going really well. So opening up for on a positive side. The Asian markets are a little bit more hesitant, probably waiting up what New York's going to do. And it all comes down to the New York Open to see what's going to happen there. Okay, so what can we see that happened here? Well, it came down, as we talked about previously, down to these levels at 53,300. Made a short, small clean out of the market and headed all the way up to the level of 58,200, where we have this previously drawn resistance level. It also coincides more or less at the 0.79 Fibonacci, rebounded off there, and it came down to 0.61 Fibonacci, more or less. You know, the price levels are always more or less. Nothing is exact, and it's been dancing around these levels here for a while. We can see we can drag this down here like that and make another one like this to see what we can expect for it to do now. A normal resistance level for it to bounce off is the 0.38 or of course the 0.5 Fibonacci. But as we're speaking, it's just dancing around on these levels. This is going to be a waiting game for now until the markets open in New York. But then after that, well, if the markets open on the upside, let's take this fibro out so we can see a little bit better. We have this previously drawn resistance of these tops here. Well, of course, what we would want it to do is to rebound here, break through this level, break through this if we're going to have some resistance here. And then we have the next level here at 59,500 something level. And at that same point, we have this descending wedge ceiling here. So it's going to be quite a lot of resistance at this point here. But if markets open up well and we can break through this, next level of resistance is around the 63,500 level, 63,400, somewhere there. So this is what we can expect right now. And if the markets open on the downside, but as we say, it's looking good. The scare of the virus doesn't seem to be that, nothing more than a scare, but you never know. On the downside, we have the same. We have the bottom of this triangle, the wedge that we drew on the bigger time frame, and of course this 53,000 level down here. That's going to be very, very important. We don't want it to break down of this. Then it all depends on how the markets are reacting. It could go further down. Okay, that will be it for this morning, and let's just wait for what happens in New York and see, and just take it from there. But hold your hats, because it might be a bumpy ride for the next few days. Okay, thank you very much, and please don't subscribe, and please don't hit that like button.